In this video, we're going to talk about how to earn money in your sleep with the YouTube Partnership Program. And if you stick around to the end, I'm actually going to give you an exclusive topic that you can use right now today to help grow your channel. So as a new YouTuber, the first thing you want to understand is how the money is made on YouTube. How do you actually generate revenue? If we're talking about making money in our sleep, we need to understand how money is actually generated via the Partnership Program. And basically what happens is every time an ad is watched on your video, you're getting revenue from those ads. The advertisers pay YouTube to serve those ads on videos, and then you get a percentage of that revenue. So every time someone watches an ad on your video, if you are monetized, you're getting a percentage of that revenue. So that's how the money is made. And then depending on your CPM, and CPM just stands for cost per 1,000 views. Depending on your CPM, advertiser is paying a higher or lower amount for the ads to be served on your videos. You can make anywhere from $2 to $50 every time 1,000 people watch a specific video, or even higher depending on your CPM. If you have a high enough CPM, you could actually earn decent money with a small amount of views. For example, if you had 20 videos, each bringing in 1,000 views a month with a CPM of 50 or higher, you could easily earn 1,000 extra bucks a month just off of those videos. Not to mention your other partnerships or affiliate links if you decide to do so. It's a good idea to understand topic-wise and niche-wise what you're making your videos about from the start, because that will determine your revenue and how much you're able to make from your videos. It's wise to understand how views are generated on your channel. A lot of times people acquire views by following trending topics. So they'll make a video about whatever's trending, and that's a great way to build your channel, because a lot of people do search for trending topics, whether it be for music or fashion or political topics. Trending topics can be about anything. So when those topics do arise, the people who are early adopters, who are able to kind of grab those topics and run with them, are able to really bring in a lot of views and a lot of new subscribers to their channels, which is a great thing. But there's also a flip side of that, is that those topics aren't always evergreen topics, meaning that there may be a week that someone's talking about a specific topic, or even a month, but it's not necessary that they'll be talking about that a year or 2 years from now. When that trending topic dies down, if that's all you've talked about, it's hard to kind of pivot your channel from that point to something else, because that audience was only interested in that particular topic and they don't know your channel to do anything else but talk about that trending topic. A lot of experienced content creators create their channels around evergreen topics, which may seem like a little slower growth, but the key to that is that you're actually making money in your sleep, because year after year people are going to search for those evergreen topics, because they're not about a trending topic, they're about something that people actually need. Prime example, making a video about how to tie a tie. That's something that people are going to need from year after year, because it's something that's ingrained in our culture. So really think about evergreen topics like that. What are the things that are ingrained in our culture that people are always going to need? And when you create videos about those, they're always going to be searched. Even if there's a large volume of people making videos about those topics, you have the opportunity to create nuances and bring something new to the table around that topic with your channel. And it's like gold. It's like money in the bank. I mean, I kid you not, in your sleep, those videos will continue to generate revenue year after year on autopilot. And that's when you really turn YouTube into a passive income. And that's one of the things I know a lot of people are after, and a lot of people think about when they're starting YouTube channels, but they don't really understand how to get there. And it's not talked about, by content creators that people aspire to be don't really talk about that, and don't really talk about it from that perspective. But that's what we're here to talk about, and that's what we're here to share today, is how do you get there? How do you get to that point of being able to generate revenue with the YouTube Partnership Program in your sleep? And if you really want to know, that's how you do it. You have to create evergreen content that people are going to watch over and over, regardless of the year, regardless of what's happening trending. People are going to continue to watch that content. And also, coupled with that, you want to make sure that your CPM is as high as possible. So when you're creating those evergreen topics, also try to create them around topics and niche areas that have a high CPM, like for instance money, or health or anything that has a high CPM. Try to create those topics around that area, or even gearing your content around those areas so that the CPM will be as high as possible. And you don't have to always do those type videos. Like, for instance, a lot of people start off doing videos about social media and how to start a business and how to become financially independent, but they don't necessarily do those videos throughout their whole YouTube career, which is fine. But you do want to have a layer of those videos in your arsenal so that even if you're not making videos for a period of time, those videos will constantly bring in revenue and constantly bring in new audiences and new subscribers as well. All right, so as promised, here's your topic that I have already vetted in YouTube via TubeBuddy that you can start using today to grow your channel. The topic is, what are 3 skills to have in any economy? Again, what are 3 skills to have in any economy? That's the topic. I hope this video has been helpful. We'll see you in the next one.